Hi everyone, so we are from Group 6 with me, Tiara Rizky Cahya, with real estate of NPM 140, and I'm here with Rafa.
With the last three digit of NPM is 65.
So for today's topic is consumer motivation and personality. Next slide, please.
Okay. The dynamics of motivation. So the dynamics of motivation divided into two categories. The first one is need. There are two types of needs. The first one is biogenic needs. It's like psychological needs, like food, water, air, function of the body, and sex. And the second one is psychogenic needs or motivational force that are learned from our parents, social environment, and interaction with others. And the dynamics of motivation, the dynamics of motivation is goals. Goals are sought after result of motivate behavior, buyer's action, and driven by two set of goals. The first one is generic goals, are outcomes that consumers seek in order to satisfy psychological and psychological needs. And the next one, product-specific goals, are outcomes that consumers seek by using a given product or service.
Okay, so the next one is Maslow hierarchy of needs. The first one is psychological needs. So basically, the psychological needs are biological needs consisting of oxygen, food, water, and shelter. And then the second one is safety and security needs, which is when all the psychological n- needs are met and no longer controlled in mind and behavior, then the need for security will become active. And next is social needs. The next is social needs, which embodies affection and love. This needs is vital to overcome the feelings of loneliness and isolation from social relationship. The fourth one is ego needs. This needs include self-esteem and respect, which ultimately makes man strong and confident. And the last one is self-actualization needs, which is Maslow described this as a person needs to be and do something he has believe in.
So the dynamics of motivation, the first one is hidden motives. Hidden motives are secret wishes that affect how people buy things, and sometimes individuals don't even realize this wish. Psychological Ernest Ditcher did studies to find out this hidden reason. And motives and technology. Knowing why consumers interact with brands online allow marketers to increase engagement that ultimately leads to sales. Interest in buying and comparing products features online, find personalizing products fun, receiving good customer service, and winning prize and receiving free product sample.
The next one is personality development. So this is a theory from Freudian theory. So this posits that unconscious drive, especially sexual and biological, influence human motivation and personality. It also involves three systems, which is the impulsive, the moral superego, and the balancing ego. And next is Neo-Freudian personality theory. So Neo-Freudian theory expand on this, emphasizing the role of social relationship in personality development. Adler focused on rational goals and overcoming inferiority, Sullivan on forming rewarding relationship, and Harney classified individuals into compliant, aggressive, and detached categories. Marketers apply these theories to understand consumer behavior, tailor product positioning based on personality types.
Frustration and defense mechanism. First one is aggression. In response to frustration, individuals may resort to aggressive behavior in attempting to protect their self-esteem. The second one is rationalization. People sometimes resolve frustration by inventing plausible reason for being unable to attain their goals. And the next one is regression. An individual may react to frustrating situation with childish or immature behavior. A shopper attending a bargain sale. And the next one is withdrawal. Frustration may be resolved by simply withdrawing from the situation. And the next one is projection. An individual may redefine a frustrating situation by projecting blame for his or her own failures and inabilities on other subjects or person. And the next one is daydreaming. Fantasizing enables the individual to attain imaginary gratification of unfulfilled needs. And the last one is identification. People resolve feelings of frustration by subconsciously identifying with others, person, or situation that they consider relevant.
Okay, the next one is anthropomorphism. So it's divided the two, which is product personality and gender. Product get gender traits like Tracy Jones being feminine and Mr. Coffee masculine. Cultures differ is assigning genders. Coffee and toothpaste might be masculine, while bath soap is seen as feminine. Hispanic shoppers link trade to retailers like Walmart as a detail-oriented businesswoman, Old Navy as friendly woman who gardens. And the next one is product personality and geography. Brands tied to location enhance likability. Philadelphia cream cheese, made in Illinois, associates with U.S. history. Texas-based barbecue sauce from New Jersey, connect with Texas. Old El Paso salsa from Minneapolis taps the Southwest appeal. Twin City salsa lacks the same allure, despite being from Minneapolis or street ball.
So about the study case is the impact of motivation toward fast food restaurant Carl's Jr. Consumer motivation, driven mainly by psychological needs, plays an important role in influencing purchasing decision at Carl's Jr. Maslow hierarchical need theory suggests that individuals are motivated to meet their basic psychological needs, such as hunger, before moving to higher level needs such as social ownership and self-esteem. Research findings suggest that many consumers view Carl's Jr. as a perfect place to relax with friends and family, suggesting that restaurants serve as social hubs that satisfy their needs for social interaction and connection. It shows how psychological factors such as desire for social membership can influence consumer behavior and decision-making process at Carl's Jr., emphasizing the importance of creating a friendly and social environment within a restaurant to meet this need.
So yeah, the conclusion of this study case is the research study on consumer behavioral Carl's Jr. in Surabaya and Jakarta highlights the significant impact of psychological factor, particularly Maslow hierarchy of needs, emotional motivation, and attitude on consumer purchasing decision. The findings suggest that understanding and catering to consumer emotional and attitudinal motivation are crucial for influencing their choices at the restaurant. While emotional motivation play a key role for consumer in Surabaya, those in Jakarta are more influenced by their attitude toward the brand itself. The case also emphasized the importance of providing innovative menu options, creating a welcoming environment for social gathering, and also considering the psychological need of consumer to enhance their dining experience and drive purchasing decision at Carl's Jr. Next slide, please.
Okay, so that's all from our presentation. If there's any mistake, we're sorry. Thank you so much.